Okay, we're going to talk about the Carulli C major etude here. And I'm going to give you the notes of this guitar. So here's my low E string. A. G. B. Okay, so if you look at your sheet music, okay, we have some transitions. We have a, well, there's a transition from, for example, 17, 18, 19, from bar 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. From bar 24, wait a minute, from bar, from bar 16 to bar 17, and then again at the first and second ending. So bar 16 is just the bar with the finet in it. It's just a C chord. 1, 2, rest. Okay, so you'll have the C chord here. 1, 2, rest. Okay. Apple, 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 apple. Okay. Now, when you get to the first ending, okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, measure 23. Okay, so the first ending, okay, pi, apple, apple, and that A note there, you can see it's a half note tied to an eighth note with a rest on the bottom part, and then you have a rest with 2 eighth notes, so on the top part. Okay. All right, and that will repeat to 17. Okay, so okay, now the second ending. You can see there's little little numbers by the notes. Those are finger numbers. So they want you to play finger 3 on the A note, finger 2 on the E note, then finger 4 on a C note. And they want you to hold that all at one time. So you're going to have this odd little shape here, like this. Okay, you're going to have finger 3 on fret 2. You're going to have finger 2 on fret 2. Then you're going to have finger 4 on the C note and finger 1 here. So you'll have finger 3, 2, 4, 1, and then you'll start into the next, you'll start into measure 33, okay? So you might want to practice this a few times, maybe 10 or 12 times in a row. Remember, that's the first beat of the next measure, okay? So, try it again. Okay, so there's these transition measures. So once we have that, they want 4 and 3 there. Okay, so when we get to the bottom of the page where you see DC al fine, okay? The measure before that, you have a ral. That means rallentando. That means you kind of slow down a little bit. So you have this. Wait, where do we go? There it is. there's a fermata. We hold that as long as we want to. Then we get F, E, D to the C chord we start at. And because it says DC alfinate, DC, da capo, the top, alfinate, to the fine. So when you get to the bottom here, you go to the top, and then you go to measure 16 where it says fine again. Okay? So now, let's see if we can do the whole thing not too fast. And remember, we're going this G string every other time there. And when you get to measure 9, you've got this chord here. Okay, with the open G and B. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and. It up. That was a long time to make. Okay, I'm going to keep going. We'll start over. That's not right. Okay, that's pretty close. And if you notice, I didn't do the, I didn't do it the way the writer wanted me. I didn't do it this way here. I just chased my fingers around. But they left you directions to do it this way. I've been playing this so long, I do it a little different way. So. That's as written. Okay, there you have it.